Hi, hello, namaste viewers. By seeing the wordings, you may come to know what I am going to explain. Your guess is right. I am going to give a brief idea and I am going to show you how to make a mini model of the conveyor, which is a low power supply and a high torque conveyor. There are actually many types of conveyor. In that, I am going to show you which type of conveyor is going to be a very best and I am going to use this for which purpose. In general, there are numerous types of conveyor. In that, I am going to prefer chain conveyor, which is going to be the low power consumption and the high torque one, which is going to be the profitable. So I choose to this. The above displayed are the types of conveyors, broadly used types. Finally, I have designed a mini conveyor by using a 12-volt gear motor, which will be having a high torque one. And first, I winded the roller with a belt, but there was very low torque and it can't carry weight, and for rolling of the belt it requires much torque. Then I have decided to change this as a chain conveyor, which is a profitable one and smooth one. In this I can do whatever I wish, so I prefer this, and this is going to be the lowest form of doing a mini conveyor. See how does the conveyor moves, and I made everything using a simple components like four small boxes for the end, and the conveyor is fully made up of cardboard and covered with the resin wrap, and the two roller are the printer rollers which we will get for a free. In this nothing I invested except the power supply adapter and the 12 volt gear motor. Everything is free of cost, and you can see there's no problem in moving, and I made this video slow to understand how does this move. And why I do this is because to submit my sensor project. This project is a very simple one, a mini automatic car cleaner, in which I have four different stages: blower, foam applier, high pressure water sprayer and a dryer. Along with these four stages, I have also two automatic doors, in which when the car enters, the door will open, the car goes inside, the door will close. See, these are the two CD driver. I used CD driver for as a gate, and two infrared sensor and Arduino Uno. This simple connection is available already in YouTube. You can get use of this, and this is the CAD model, how I am going to make my model. By seeing this, you may get an idea how to make a mini conveyor successfully with high torque. Thank you friends for watching the video. If you have any comments, please give me in the comment section.